Outlook's QR code feature simplifies signing into your account on mobile devices from a desktop or web version. Ideal for passwordless access via the Microsoft Authenticator app. It's available for personal and Microsoft 365 accounts. Requires a desktop web session and the Authenticator app on your phone. No extra cost. Works on Windows, Mac, web. Steps to generate QR code. Log in on desktop or web. Open Outlook desktop app or go to outlook.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Access. Add account. In the desktop app, go to File. Add account. On web, click your profile icon, top right, My Microsoft account, or start adding a device. Select QR option. Click Sign in faster to Outlook on your phone or use a QR code. May appear under Advanced Options. A pop-up displays the QR code with your email. Scan from mobile. Open Microsoft Authenticator app. Tap plus, work or school account. Scan QR code. Point camera at screen. Approves instantly. Complete setup. Follow prompts. Approve notifications. Your mobile Outlook app now syncs without re-entering credentials. For mobile app setup, in Outlook Mobile, add account. Tap QR icon, top right. Scan desktop code. Tips. Expires after around 10 minutes. Rescan if needed. Enable passwordless in Authenticator for future use. Troubleshoot. Update apps. Ensure same account. Contact Microsoft support if unavailable.